Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy, the Sweet Pump here, back in with another video. Again, I know I haven't made any videos for like 2 weeks. I made like 2 in the holidays, but I guess I should have made more. Whatever. Tomorrow, because today's Wednesday and tomorrow's Thursday as the world works, Zach, Kiri's brother and his friends and I, we're going to Melbourne to stay in an Airbnb with a rock climbing wall, pool and a gym and a sick room. But there's a few steps I need to take to go there. I need to pack my bag and then go to sleep and then hopefully wake up, and then I need to drive my car to Zach's house, drop the car off at his house and then catch an Uber to school, go to school and then meet Zach at the station, and then I need to go from the station at Melbourne somewhere to pick up like the room key from a different building, and then hopefully just walk through, then go into the room, and then hopefully this clip coming now will be walking in the room. So guys, we've arrived at the Airbnb. We're just like constructing it as well as we could. We got all the rooms here. It's pretty sick. It's like a fat upgrade since the last one. The view's pretty insane. We've also got a balcony. So this is the balcony. I'm gonna do one of these things. That's scary. Yeah, so probably can't see me, but there's Melbourne. So there's Melbourne Stadium over there. All fat buildings, and then down there it's pretty spook. But pretty satisfied. The room, it took I booked in DD and it wasn't working, but yeah, we're eventually here. There's a pool and gym and rock climbing wall downstairs. So that's gonna be really sick to do in like 20-30 minutes once we figure out where everyone's sleeping. But yeah, so we might be in the pool or gym, we'll see. We made a discovery. Anthony, show them the lamp.
You could touch it anywhere. It turns on and fucking off.
Oh, this is a nice out of the vlog now.
Hi. Kiri, thoughts?
Oh, mad.
Alright, we'll see you soon.
So which floor do you want to go on, boys?
Alright, so we're just in the elevator. Now we go in the pool. We need to we need to scan a card.
It's a time please.
Alright, so the pool's in there and we just come outside. There's like a little terrace area, then everyone's working out, doing a good time. It's pretty insane. Was really not expecting this.
So boys, what's the plan? Tell the vlog. What's the plan?
I'm gonna go pick up Zaka.
Pick up Zaka, and then what?
That's it.
That's about it.
So
we picked up Zach, but I'm gonna go down for a swim, bring the GoPro, so I'll see you guys down there. We just went in the pool.
Oh, slot, my bad. Opening up the gun. Oh, what a good.
Now we're gonna watch the Goonies, but I'll pick up the vlog tomorrow morning on that day because we haven't really done anything. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys, hope you guys enjoy that time lapse. So what time is it? It's 9:55. We're checking out and then we want to check the bags in like a locker room because everyone's carrying lots of heavy bags. After walking around for like 20 minutes, we found we're hiring a locker thing so we can put our bags away and then we can go do something else. There's a locker there, so we're all sorted. Oh yes, I got it. Guys, I'm a Pokemon master, let's go. Alright, so now we've arrived at the Emporium, and then we get some food, and I don't really know what we're doing after that, but we'll figure it out.
we're gonna get that.
There's the food. So we're gonna munch that down. I don't even know what we're doing later, we're just kind of cruising around. I might buy some stuff, so I'll punch show you guys that, but yeah.
By 6 song Anthony.
Little pretty sick. Little demo.
Professional musician.
So we're in Super Seeker sneaker store and all these like hypebeast stuff. Like there's this wallet here. $3,500. We have to say, yeah, $3,500. Any thoughts?
Any thoughts? If you have bank, cop.
Is it good? Hey guys, welcome to another vlog in the Tommy Hilfiger store. We're joined by Tony, Saki, Dylan, the host, Kiri.
Yeah.
It's a nice Hilfiger.
No, I don't give you permission.
Okay guys, we're now on a tram and then we're going to go to Big W to get a tech decks for the Zachariola. Yeah.
So we found the tech decks, but they don't sell. They only sell them like the quad packs. But we also found a quarter pipe. That's pretty cool. Like get a quick line. Alrighty.
Yeah, so at the moment Kiri's at All Star and they're going to meet up at the station later I think, but yeah, we're about to leave soon. Alright guys, we made it back at Southern Cross by like walking. We got a tram and then a bus. It was insane, but we're going to go collect the bags, but I'm going to pack this vlog thing down and I'll talk to you guys back at home in a couple hours. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since I got home from the city and I haven't really had time to edit this vlog just because I've been doing some homework for school, for my electrician class, but I've got all that done today. I really enjoyed the weekend with the boys. To the guys out there, thanks for coming along. I really enjoyed your time and stuff. It was really fun. Must do soon-ish. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I want to make more vlogs. I've said this every time, but it's just a bit difficult with school and I don't know what to film, so I'm just trying to figure out what to film. But hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. Geeked.